What if you could teach an agent without giving it any instructions at all? Just do the task together and then ask the agent to remember how. It's an elegant approach. Welcome back to the Agent Skills series. In previous episodes, we've looked at creating skills for repeating processes and even using templates and scripts. Now let's explore a different approach, teaching your agent by showing it what to do. Think about how you teach a colleague something new. Sure, you could hand them a set of instructions, but often you prefer to do the thing with them first and then invite them to do it themselves. We can do the exact same thing with our agent. Work through a task together and then ask it to learn how to do it again using a skill. Let me show you what I mean. Here, I'm using Cloud Code within Visual Studio. I'm asking the agent to fetch energy consumption data from our world in data, broken down by year. With the file downloaded, I ask the agent to explore the data and help me understand what's available. As you can see, I have different metrics for each country for each year. Now I'll ask the agent to help me create a report for a specific year. I want to know which countries are the best and worst when it comes to polluting energy sources. I'm asking for a markdown file with each country's information, plus some charts. The agent writes some code, generates the images, and produces a report. It looks quite good, but something's not quite right. The charts for some countries don't have enough data to be meaningful. So I continue iterating with the agent. I paste the image and ask for a better choice of data to present. Now I have a report that looks much more interesting. I keep going, asking for some formatting changes. Notice that at this point we haven't done anything to make this repeatable. We've just been iterating with the agent on a single report. Satisfied with the result, I ask the agent to generate a PDF so I can share the report with others. And there it is, a polished PDF ready to share. I'm happy with this report, and I'd like to be able to generate similar reports for other years. So I asked the agent to create a skill for generating the exact same kind of report, just for a different year. Notice that I didn't give any instructions about what a skill should do. I simply let the agent learn from the work we've done together. It creates a skill.md file and some supporting scripts, and the skill is ready to use. Let's give it a try. When I ask for a report for a different year, the agent identifies the skill and uses it. The report looks exactly the same, with the same format and structure. I can also use this skill with other agents. Let's try it with GitHub Copilot using Gemini Pro. Works exactly the same, and I get the same report. And now let's try OpenAI Codex with GPT 5.2. Different agent, same skill, same report, just for a different year. And of course, I can upload the skill to Claude and use it in the app. Same format, same analysis, with a PDF ready to view, download, and share. So, let's recap what we've seen here. When working collaboratively with an agent, we can capture what we've done and use that to teach it how to repeat the task consistently. We didn't give the agent detailed instructions for creating reports. We showed it how to make the report we wanted by building it together. Then we asked it to create a skill for generating additional reports. All looking the same, doing the same analysis, producing the same PDF. We took that skill and used it across several different agents: Claude Code, GitHub Copilot, Codex, and the Claude app. Same skill, same results every time. I hope you can see that creating skills isn't necessarily a programming task. It doesn't have to be about creating precise technical instructions. It can be a collaborative process where you ask the agent to remember what you've done together and repeat that. That's an elegant way to capture something you've done, which you'd like to do again, and encode it in a skill you can share with others and use across different agents. In upcoming episodes, we'll continue exploring different ways to create and use agent skills. You can subscribe to this channel to catch future episodes as they come out. And if you'd like to try this yourself, go to agenticventures.com. There you'll find resources and guides so you can follow along. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.